after a bit of a complication with my headset, but now I hope, can you hear me?
I hear you.
Okay, good. Good, good.
It's a bit
Uh,
stressful before the recording.
yeah. These are things that happen when you are doing things live. And I guess people are quite used to those technical hiccups.
Yes.
Anyway, we're back with the third live stream for Weekday AI. I still can't really
Yeah, we
pronounce
we
it.
made up the name and we can't say it, so
That's good. Yeah. It looks good anyway. Hopefully people understand that it's supposed to be weekly and about AI and generative AI specifically. But yes. So today it's a bit of what experimental test session.
yeah.
So we're going to try a very new workflow.
Yeah.
Or
These are things we haven't really tried ourselves and we're streaming them first, so
yeah. So that's also sort of what we were thinking about this live stream, that it's not supposed to be a perfect marketing. I mean, sometimes we want to show you things that we've done, but it's more of a trial and error kind of, see how it works, what works, what doesn't, and so on. So let's dive into the to Comfy UI and the workflow and see what we can do. Today we are the idea is to generate an interior space, a room of some kind. In our previous sessions, we have used, when we've done interior visualization before, we've used real photos, like actual real rooms, and generated interior design styles on top of them. And that is also what we're offering in the generator pipeline at the moment. But sometimes you don't have a space. You don't actually want to decorate or an actual real space. You want to create a space first and then decorate it and then maybe put some people or characters in there. So that's what we're looking at today.
yes. And this is a part of our parametric prompt system. So this means that we can create different templates and then fill these templates with different parameters. So let's start with the one to generate a room, an empty room.
Yes.
So I've selected the empty room creator. This is optimized for Nano Banana 2, but we can make a lot of different variations. And we realized that it was hard to make one prompt that fits all models. So that's why we're creating special prompts for each model. So let's see, we have a lot of different settings you can pick for this creation, and you don't have to pick all of them. If you don't pick them, they'll just be excluded from the prompt. But let's see, can you see the screen?
Yeah, it's a bit small, but I can see it. I have my glasses on. Yeah, that's better.
So I'll just pick some. We're talking about making a corner wide, uh, daytime or golden hour. Maybe
We can
golden
try
hour.
golden hour. Yeah. Just to say that all of these different parametrics can be changed and they're not sort of static. We're still trying things out. So it's a bit of it's early days, early stage.
Yes, so let's go for
A kitchen. Mm-hmm.
yeah, classic European. Since we're gonna try on some of our TOMLIN characters that are European characters.
Yeah, one of them, Maja, she lives in Stockholm. So the idea is to have Tomasz that we talked about. We showed you in our last session, Maja and Tomasz, which are they are two of the Tomlin characters that we are creating and that we are going to use in different images and videos. And he is visiting her in Stockholm. That is the idea here.
yeah,
They are friends from early days when they were both DJs, or right?
exactly.
Mm.
So I'm just doing some selections. Let's do window placement sidewall. Door, let's do a sliding door. Wall material.
Or maybe, is there a single door? Because
We have a flush painted door. We'll have a glass panel door, paneled door, sliding door right now. Or we can do a manual override. But
I'm thinking towards the kitchen, maybe panel door.
okay. I
Let's
have
try
no
that.
idea what that's gonna look like.
No,
We'll
yeah.
see. Wall material, let's do smooth plaster.
Mm-hmm.
Floor, we'll do parquet. Ceiling.
And we were talking about changing like the wall material to also painted walls, and maybe add a parameter here that's the color of the paint or the color of wallpaper, and maybe a pattern of a wallpaper as well.
Yeah, I can't speak and select at the same time, so I'm just gonna
Yeah.
pick some parameters. We'll do architectural photography, image style. I don't know, physically accurate maybe.
And all of these can be sort of favorites as a preset. So you don't have, if you find a few selections that you like, and then you can favorite, so you don't have to select all of them every time, because,
Yeah.
it can take a little bit of time, even though it takes way less time than actually writing the prompt and composing the actual prompt. So
Yeah, definitely. So I just favorited all of these selections. That means they will be at the top of every drop down. And one
okay.
of the next steps will be to create the actual presets. So you can have
Okay.
multiple presets, not just favorites.
Okay, so now the model is generating, and we have ourselves a room. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
pretty good. That could be a kitchen. I
yeah,
mean, it's a
could.
really nice apartment in Stockholm.
Yeah. You could put, yeah, definitely a kitchen there.
Okay, let's use that one
Yeah.
and see if we can decorate it into a kitchen in our next pipeline, which is the interior visualization or interior design pipeline that we already offer within the generator generation packages. You can already use this one, but we haven't tried it in this way before. It should work the same though.
Yeah. So let's see, I'm gonna have that one in the output folder. It's gonna be here. This one.
Yes.
And we're gonna have one input image. And
Okay.
the
Oh,
image edits.
that's a really long. If you can zoom in so I can see.
Yeah.
So here yeah, okay. So then now you pick the, okay, so to the left, you first pick the use case.
Exactly.
Like interior visualization. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, and you can also, if you have a lot of, right now we don't have that many templates, but if you have a lot of them, you can filter them by domain, scenario, generation mode, model, and so on.
Okay.
Right now, we don't really need that. Okay, so let's pick then kitchen with a dining table, maybe.
Yeah.
To fit that in.
Maybe Scandinavian furniture style, since we are in Stockholm. So that's, I'm not really sure. Maybe her style is a bit more, how do you say, more creative, more
Eclectic.
than, yeah. Okay.
So eclectic for textile.
Okay.
Wall decoration.
Zoom in, please.
I'm not sure.
Oh, okay, you can't. Let's pick retro, mid-century.
Okay.
Just to see what happens.
And we're not going to empty the room before, since it's already empty.
You haven't picked the wall decoration and the lighting fixtures. So maybe you should just pick
pop art.
I think it's a bit too much to mix all of them. Like take Scandinavian and then maybe eclectic on the lighting.
Sure.
That one is a bit, you don't really know what to get with that one. Okay, let's try it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's see. We're going to load this image into banana.
And if the room would have been already decorated or furnished, then you could have cleared the room. But now, as you can see, it's an empty room, so we don't have to clear the room.
Yep.
So now it's interesting now
Actually, we haven't
because
tried this for like the fixtures and everything.
no,
Have we?
exactly. That was what I was going to say. We haven't done this with a completely empty room. I mean, it's been a kitchen with an actual counter and kitchen, all of the other like fridge and everything. So it's going to be, I'm not sure if the model will. Otherwise, can we maybe enter that in the manual instructions that we just want them to place? Like alongside the right wall, we could have the whole counter and, oh, okay, it did. It did.
It did
Okay.
it all. Yeah.
The lamps are a bit crazy, but that's why if we hadn't picked eclectic, I think it would have been much cleaner, the lamp
Yeah.
selection.
Should
I
we change
mean,
something? Yeah.
that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's a room.
That's a room. Let's try one other setting just to see, because I'm not really sure if that's Maya's actual kitchen, or what do you think? It felt a bit too. I think we need to change the textiles to something else. Maybe something a bit more stylish, cleaner. Maybe just take.
Industrial. Mm.
I think it's a bit too mix. I mean, she's quite stylish, so maybe contemporary.
Okay.
And then the lighting, we have to change that to contemporary as well. So we have, and also objects, let's take that to Scandinavian. So let's see. So we have two different styles that we are combining. So it's more of a balanced mix, but it's still contemporary could be, I mean, contemporary with Scandinavian is not typical. I think the typical choice would have been like Scandinavian with minimalism and Japandi and something very minimalistic. But here we go. Let's see if it adds some color at least to the kitchen.
It's thinking.
There's no fridge, but the fridge is behind us,
Could be. Yeah.
right?
Yep.
It's a very big kitchen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, whatever kitchen we get, let's use it. And then if it works, otherwise we can take this kitchen and then just see if we can get a character into the kitchen. Oh, yeah, well, this one is better, I think.
Yeah.
Even though, I mean, the placement of the table is a bit weird, but let's use this one.
Yeah.
The style is better. It's very beige. That's what you get when you pick the Scandinavian style. It's very sort of not that much color. If you want color, you should pick, I don't know, Art Deco, Pop Arty, or any other retro as well. More colorful design styles. Okay, so now we want to enter Maja and Tomasz into this kitchen scene. Let's see if it works.
Yeah, we're gonna try a compositing template. I just seem to have an error in the config, so I'm just gonna
Okay,
restart
okay. So
doing the
what
page.
what we have now is either there's a whole character image of the character full body, or there's a character sheet, which is to make the model understand more about the character's look from different angles, which is better, of course. Otherwise, it would just make up something. So maybe we should try that one first, or do you think we should use both of the images?
We're gonna use the character sheets, but something is not really working right now.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So you can just keep
Yeah.
talking.
Okay. Yeah, but I was thinking that this could be interesting for any type of, you know, company or organization that wants to create a space. I mean, now we're using an interior room, but it could actually be a exterior space as well.
Yeah.
And they want to design it and then also put people in it, and then they could create videos, make them move. And I don't know, dialogue eventually as well.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the idea is that this could basically do anything depending on what you put into the system.
Yeah.
You can have it to create like vehicles or buildings or environments or whatever.
Yeah.
So I'm just in the background restarting Comfy.
Okay. Okay.
Sometimes that happens.
Yeah.
See.
Yeah, so I think it's quite powerful because as you saw maybe in the parametric selection, the generator node, that you can pick different times of day. I mean, eventually we could pick like what season it is, if it's fall outside, if it's winter, if it's summer,
Yeah,
right? If
yeah,
you want to create so that would could be added there too.
yeah.
And if it's an evening photo, I mean if it's a parametric for an evening setting, then maybe it would be interesting if that could automatically add like candles and things like that, or if we have to sort of manually instruct the model to add candles if it's an evening
Yeah,
dinner, or not sure.
yeah,
What do you
yeah.
think?
Let's see. I
Yeah.
don't know. I can't answer that, but yeah, and also another like parameter could be what's going to be outside of the windows, for instance. Maybe we have an image, special background image that we want to place
Mm,
outside. So it's
yeah.
almost rebooted now.
Mm. And with the Nana Banana 2 model, which is the one that we are using in this example, I mean, we're going to try this with different AI image models or image edit models. But this one is the most secure one, but there are others that are open source as well. But then there are other things you can sort of add if it's an open source model, right? You can add a LoRa, like a filter.
Yeah, with Nana Banana, maybe you could have parameters about the place, since they say that Nana Banana is quite competent when it comes to understanding places, real places.
Mm. So maybe if you say to the model, like, place this with that you can see the Eiffel Tower or the, I don't know, Sagrada Familia in Barcelona in the background.
Yeah,
Now this one was in Stockholm, obviously, but if we would have done another type of apartment,
yeah.
so it doesn't come back to where we were. Do we have to do it all over again?
Just wait and see.
Let's see. Crossing my fingers.
Pray to the comfy gods.
It's it's typical that this happens now. Otherwise, we will have to see if we can generate a new, or if we could just jump into. But this one isn't the latest one, right? Hmm.
Okay, let's do another one.
Yeah, maybe it's a cache thing.
No, this is the
Okay.
right. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let's see. This in this workflow, we're gonna do this compositing with two people into the scene. The first image is going to be the environment. So let's pick the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
What's the latest image
The latest
here?
kitchen. Yeah.
Yeah. And then I'm going to choose the characters when that is downloading.
It's a bit slow. It's working
Yes.
hard.
Yeah. Let's see if we can load
In the
this.
Weekdai folder.
Okay, so let's pick
The character sheets, or
yeah, character
yeah.
sheets.
Okay, so this is Maja, and then we have Tomasz, and then I
Doesn't
guess
feel like
mm,
it's really
it doesn't look like it's showing the. actual image, but there's something there. Update requested. Oh no, but that shouldn't be necessary, right? Or
Doing it to see if it's offline, and it seems to be offline.
uh-huh.
We have Houston, we have a problem.
Yeah. Well, we have 5 minutes left of our stream, so well, let's see if we can make this work.
Yeah.
If not, then we will have to try another. I mean, we could always stream a few minutes more and then just cut this part out.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again.
Yeah.
Now. Okay, great.
Now the other character sheet. This one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is actually the first time we are running this.
So do we need to instruct in the manual instruction part where what they are supposed to do? Should they like stand and cook?
Let's have a look first in the custom nodes to see.
Okay. Yes.
So we have an image style selection. Let's do a physically accurate.
Mm-hmm.
We have subject placement. Let's put the PO. Should they be in the
center of the room?
Center
like
of the room.
You know, sitting by the table or something.
They could be, for instance, discussing something, laughing,
laughing together.
Laughing together.
Yeah.
And their interaction could be close conversation.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Talking about old times.
Yeah. Body orientation.
Towards each other. Is there anything like facing
away? We have facing camera, facing
sideways.
Yeah. Eye direction, looking at another person.
Yeah, they're looking at each other.
And their environment interaction, I suppose. Should they be sitting naturally?
Yeah, sitting at the table. That's what I was thinking.
And match with diffused light, neutral integration with the color, shadows, maybe ambient soft shadows. Camera match. Let's go with eye level perspective. Subject scale should match average human proportions. Subject source, let's do character sheets. Subject reference. This we might have to try a few different options. Do we have merge multiple references or preserve identity consistently? Let's go with that one.
Okay, and now we need to instruct them. Or should we not? Yeah,
we just
okay, let's try. Yeah, let's try that one. They are actually sitting, laughing, having a conversation. So it was if we wanted to say something even more specific, like one of them is raising her hand towards the ceiling, or I don't know. Yeah. Then we could do that in a manual instruction part. But okay, this is going to be interesting to see how the character actually looks and if they are sitting at the table. Yeah. Because we didn't say that. We didn't say that they're going to sit at the table, just that they're going to sit. So
yeah, they could be sitting on the floor. Let's see.
Yeah, they could.
Or on the bench.
And we haven't said what they're supposed to do, if they're eating, drinking wine.
Yeah, let's see.
So those are things that you could add in the manual instruction if you want to sort of be more art direction.
Yeah, we will add some more. This is like the very first version of this template, so we can add a lot more control as well.
It takes a little bit of time, but I mean, not that much. It's about a minute or something. That looks a little bit weird. Yeah.
Yes, it looks a bit
that looks weird. It looks like they are sort of cut into the image.
Yeah. This could be
actually the furniture feels a bit small.
Yeah, it does. Or they are big or something. Yeah.
They are big. Something is wrong with the proportions there.
So let's maybe go for realistic human scale, see if that happens. And the light match, maybe we need something.
Yeah, they were a bit strangely lit.
Match environments.
That's better.
Let's try that one.
But they sat by the table. So that was good.
They did, yeah.
Yeah, they did. Okay. but the proportions and the lighting but maybe let's see if it changes anything. I mean, this is a lot of trial and error to find the best sort of how do you instruct the model, what kind of settings or parameters can you. So still a few more seconds left, and then we need to wrap this live stream up. But I mean, it's been interesting. A few technical hiccups, but we actually did manage to generate a quite nice kitchen, I would say. A bit too beige for my taste, but it still looks good. And the question is now how to get the characters in there naturally.
Yeah. And this is the part we had the least amount of time to work on.
Yeah, we haven't tested it at all.
It's
Okay,
better.
this is much better.
Yeah.
I mean, this looks okay, right?
It's not bad.
It's not bad. They're having a lot of fun laughing. I mean, the proportions are much better. The lighting is better as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
I would say that I mean, it's okay. I think it's quite good. It's not perfect, but
yeah. Actually, so he's wearing the necklace that is hers.
ah,
Anyway, I think that's gonna happen in
okay,
some dimension.
that's interesting.
Yeah.
Maybe they swapped it
Yeah, they could.
and
Yeah.
they're having
It's a
so much
gift.
fun about it.
She gave it. She gave it to him.
Yeah. Well, okay, but I mean, still, it's got a lot of, it's promising, and I think this is going to be really good when we get it more tested and tweak things and see what works and what doesn't.
Yeah.
So that was it for this week's very experimental trial and error stream, but that's how it is. That's what we like.
That's what we're trying to do. Yeah.
Yeah. And see you next week, same time, 12:30 on Fridays, Scandinavian time. And have a great weekend.
Yeah. Take care.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Bye.